every woman has a right not only to independence and security, but to live her life.
There's no apprehensions, then we are in a safe space. But if we are afraid that we will be judged, that we will be harmed, that we will be discriminated, then we are not in a safe space. A safe space is not limited to a formal space. It's not also limited to an informal space. It may be informal or formal. Okay, there must be a request, and the one who requested is either the employer, the manager, the supervisor, the teacher, the instructor, professor, coach, trainer, or, take note of this, any person who having authority, influence, or moral ascendancy over another in a work or training or education environment. Marks indicative of fear, hatred, or aversion toward